New HVAC system just installed in July. Gorgeous home in the village of Country Club Hills. As you pull up to this home features designer driveway and carport. Looking to your left, there is a ramp leading for easy access through the front door. This home features vaulted ceilings throughout. As you open the door and walk into the kitchen, you will see that the dining room and living room have laminate flooring. Walk through the double doors into master bedroom, which features whirlpool tub/shower in bath. The windows have been updated to vinyl clad double pane. There is a whole house radio system. In the utility heated and cooled room there is a sink with laundry area along with storage, and golf cart garage. Convenient to all amenities. New carpet in both bedrooms along with new paint inside and out. New garbage disposal and stainless steel double sink. Property is in move-in condition. Square feet includes utility room and workshop that is heated and cooled. Amenities $162 a month. Quick closing, owner motivated.